Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Of course, you already know this is a hair review. There's no surprises anymore. Yes, so this hair is from, this is the company, I'm gonna say Eayon, whatever the case may be. The packaging was really cute. Let me open up this box. I mean, I love this packaging. Let me open up this box. Of course, you get this little thing. Never understood it. I think it's for your hair, like a hair cap thing. You get, of course, some lashes, which these actually don't look bad. I normally throw them away, but I just may keep those. And you get an elastic band. I like the fact that these companies are sending elastic bands with the units, since a lot of ladies, you know, you all utilize them. So instead of going to get them for the wig, that's just an additional thing that they're adding, which is great. You're spending a lot for the wig, so why not add in some things? So that is great. So anyways, let me get straight into the specs, because this is actually not how the hair came, as y'all see in the first clips. So let me get straight to the specs. Now, I do have a 613 unit. So when I first received this unit, it was all the way blonde 613. Yeah, I wasn't gonna wear it like that. I just feel like, and I can tell, like, in the camera, it's coming off as yellowish, orangish. It's really not. I don't understand why. I think it's the lighting. I don't understand why sometimes the lighting doesn't get this to come off what it really is. But anywho, it kind of looks like it needs to be toned in the camera. But anyways, let me get into it. The color is 613 blonde. The density, I have 200% density, okay? And I have 24 inches. This hair is long, okay? So I do have Brazilian hair, and I have a medium brown glueless cap, okay? So let's get straight into it and all the things like that. So I did dye the roots because, like I said, I cannot rock just a 613 straight 613 blonde. I like for it to at least look a little natural. I know this is not my real hair, but I do want it to blend at least a little bit, okay? So I did do the roots. You know, I'm not a professional or anything, so I just did them the best way I knew how. The dye that I used were these two. I used the honey brown and paprika. Don't ask why, I just did. I just didn't want the brown to be too dark, so I was like, let me add in a little bit of paprika because I had already had it, okay? And this is by Adore. The hair lifted wonderfully. I didn't think it wouldn't. I mean, it was already, you know, very, very blonde, very light, so I knew that it pretty much take the color well, okay? So straight out of the pack, the hair was very, very silky soft. The hair is still silky soft, which I'm saying that because I know y'all probably like, okay, but I'm saying it because it is 613 hair, okay? And if anyone knows anything about hair, in order to get hair to this color, it does have to be processed. It has to be bleached, it has to be lifted, it has to go through a lot of different stages to get to a 613 color. Sometimes you can get 613 hair that's dry, it's brittle, it's breaking, and things like that, and that's just not the case. And I know a lot of times you all ask me, you know, who has good 613 hair? You know, where can I get some blonde hair? I want to experiment with color, yada yada. And I have not experimented with a lot of 613 hair, a few, but this right here, this hair is probably the softest 613 hair I have ever had, and I'm being really, really, really honest, okay? It's not a lot of tangling, not a lot of shedding. It's just really, really soft, okay? So I'm guessing once they colored it, they really treated it well, because normally with this type of hair, you get a lot of breaking, and it's just dry, brittle, and it's just falling apart, okay? That's not the case. Also, I love the consistency, can you talk, of this unit, okay? I'm 5'7", and this is 24 inches. Let me stand up so you all can see. All right, so this is what the wig, how long the wig is. Now I say consistency because it doesn't like look like super choppy. It did give me like some nice layers. I didn't have to cut this unit or anything, but me being 5'7", this comes to about my waist, okay? So it just kind of gradually goes down. It's not like choppy, it's not thin here and thick here. It's like it all kind of blends together, and this wig is so thick. To say that it's 24 inches long, this wig is super thick. The density, granted the density is 200. This wig is awesome. Like, I would definitely recommend ordering your density in 200, because previously I've had 180% density and 150% density, and it's just as thin as I don't know what. This hair is really thick. This is all the hair that is pulled to the front, especially thick to be a wig, okay? A wig that's made, because normally those are the ones that are thin. All right, so let's get into this parting space. The parting space is really nice. I like it. It goes really far back. Now this unit is not like a full unit. You just get your like your frontal. It's like a frontal unit, okay? So this is the parting space. All right, this is how far back, and this is the longest that it goes because the little track part starts here, so it goes from here to here. I love wigs with long parting spaces. It just makes everything look a lot more natural, okay? When you have like a little 1 to 2 inch parting space, that does not look good, okay? The back of your head coming up here, that's not cute. So I do like that. Let me show you all. Excuse these chunky baby hairs. I'll fix them later. But yeah, you can part the unit anywhere, okay, all around, and you get that nice parting space. Even if I want to kind of like do like a deep side part, you still get a lot of parting space on the side, okay? So I love that about it. I know some of you are probably gonna ask, this is not a 360 unit. This is just like I said, just a regular like practically frontal unit, okay? So no, it isn't a 360. It is like a frontal. It does come with combs, and it comes with 3 combs in the unit. I believe it's 3. I think it's one here, and one in the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps, okay? I've got these little flyaways. So it also comes with adjustable straps. The wig did come kind of pre-plucked, which I like that too. Takes the hassle out of everything. So it came a little pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck a little bit. Y'all already know, for some reason I just have to kind of go in and pluck and make it match my own hairline. But it was really easy because it came with that base, you know, the base of a head shape, to where you don't have to do a lot. You just pluck a little bit and you go ahead about your business. It didn't come straight across. The hairline wasn't super thick and bulky, and I really like that because it also plays a part in the styling. Because when you get ready to style the hair, if the hairline is real bulky and the front of it, like your frontal piece, is like super bulky, it's so hard to lay the hair down. Like, oh my goodness, like a headache, you know. And this hair was so easy to lay down. It was just the perfect amount of hair on the top, which is what I really did like, and it was easy to put on. It was easy to pluck and everything. It was just a really easy type of wig, and I love that. I really do like it. And like I said, it's really soft. Like, this hair is soft as heck. Okay, my fingers just running straight through it. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. I will leave their information down in the description box. Check them out. Also, leave some comments if you've ever tried this company before, or you plan on trying them, or whatever the case may be. Like I said, I know a lot of y'all have been asking me about the 613 hair and where can you get it, and I would definitely suggest checking out this site, checking out their wigs and their 613 blonde hair. So yeah, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll definitely see y'all in my next one. Bye.